What's up, everybody? You don't know it's Broadcast TV and we're back with another video. So in today's video, we have a special guest on the channel for the first time in a long while, long awaited. We have Miss Babooram. What are you gonna say?
Hi guys, welcome back to Kadesh channel.
Long awaited video. So to get the mood started, we're going to do Would You Rather. I think I've done it once, so this will be part 2. So we're going to do a Would You Rather. I got some questions. Put up one, please. So remember, before getting into the video, remember like, share, subscribe, comment, and remember subscribe to the cooking channel. Link in the description. Videos coming soon. So without further ado, we get to the video.
Them can't stop a star from shine. So I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You my family, my friends, my enemies, go to well. I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You my family, my friends, my enemies, go to well.
So here we go. So the first question, subscribe to Iandra channel, link in the description for sure.
Thank you guys.
So the first question, would you rather a lying partner or a thieving partner?
Jeez,
So would you rather having a partner that lies or a partner that steals?
woo. It's a tomato situation, but would I rather go for the one where lie? Cause if you lie, you know you're thief. You're a thief. But I go for the liar.
My mother always say, every liar is a thief and every thief is a liar, so kind of tie up the entanglement and so.
I go for the liar. It's a tomato situation, but the person, well, the liar.
The liar. Alright, so yeah. Thief or liar?
Right? It's even money and then say you thief. I go with the liar.
So what I say? Alright, second question. Would you rather walking in on your parents having sex or your parents walking on you having sex?
My mother walking for me.
So you'd rather your parents walking by
Yeah.
and you walking
Oh God, I can't.
scarred.
I can't picture this.
Scarred for life. Imagine.
And I'm walking for my mother.
Imagine you must sit down and say your father chose seed.
But I don't want to see that none at all.
That's the start of hearing it. Just Right, so yeah, so mother say yeah, mother rather my father walk in and see that.
I don't want to see that. I rather my mother walking for me. I know that not gonna happen because I lock up my
Lock and key.
Yeah, boy.
So the third question. Would you rather have sex on the beach or in public? In the beach meaning it can be in the water. Well, you know what I'm saying, kinda. But in public, I mean, everybody really has to say, yo, boom, that go on.
I mean, it don't matter me. Anyway.
That's serious?
What? Anyway?
Yeah. I don't like make a do it, make nobody see, but sometimes it's just fun for you to hide. You get that little feeling there when you hide. But at the beach, I've done that.
Ooh.
Probably at the beach, but not in the water. I never in that joke there. I don't want to in the water.
Oh, cool. Alright, so fourth question, right? So would you rather lose your YouTube account or your Instagram account?
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram.
Any day, anytime.
YouTube not gonna work.
No one, no.
Alright. Would you rather have a green arm partner or a stinking mouth partner?
Green arm.
Yeah, there's two parts to this question. So you say a green arm partner.
Green arm.
Why a green arm?
Because me just can't take a bad breath. Me not like it.
Alright, what I say?
Me take a green arm.
Yeah, well, green arm, because probably can buy two 24-hour protection roll and thingy. So I mean, it would be the same thing for you then. So if you would rather have green arm or stinking mouth, you'd rather have green arm.
I'd rather have the green arm.
As live my winter fresh.
Me don't want him want problem. Murder?
Alright, so would you rather lose in your current relationship or one of your favorite family member?
Ask me that. Wait, ask the question proper. Ask it again.
Would you rather lose your current relationship, which is the one you know,
Yeah.
or one of your favorite family members?
My current relationship.
Family is everything.
Favorite family is everything. Not family, but
So-
favorite.
So you'd throw it out 4 years. Your
To
favorite.
my favorite family member. I don't wish that on anybody, but you use the word favorite family member. So just being honest.
To be honest.
Family are not everything though, but favorite family member.
Not all the time.
Yeah.
If you have them, alright, cool. Get paid to
Have S
S or
paid.
so you either pay for it or get paid for it.
That's a very good question.
It's
Probably
a very good video. It's a very good day.
I don't love the whole feeling of I don't love the feeling like somebody a pay me for have S. So me probably would have paid for it. Cause me not like the whole feeling where even when people talk about it, it's like the feeling to me me wouldn't want to experience it. Or probably me experience it and don't know. You have to be honest. But me would have probably pay for it. Can me pay for anything when I want? If me see it and I want it, me pay for it if me can't afford it.
If you can afford it.
Yeah, so me would have probably pay for it.
Alright, cool. Me no more. It's a good business that still is a good.
Can this real, yeah, Sally?
It's a good like a business that still no more. I mean.
Can you should sell him his D.
Yeah, it's a 5 gonna. That's a 5 gonna own.
So yeah, sell it then. Can you say it? Yeah, sell it.
Yeah. Me know say it like a high in demand, so me sell it.
You wouldn't know. Next question.
Boom. I want to say last question. Tell me if it's good.
Where's you going?
Alright, so you made the end of the video. It's just like a short.
Last question now?
Yes, last question. It's like a short video. What's about other videos from the road? So like a short. Would you rather? Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment, subscribe to Iandra channel all the time. Remember to leave a like. Remember to subscribe to the cooking channel. And
You have a cooking channel?
yeah, I made one
When?
like probably a week ago.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna.
Yeah. So remember, stay tuned, stay blessed. Remember, love and respect is everything. Big up on yourself.
Bye.
Them can't stop a star from shine. So I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies. Go to well, I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies. Go to well.
Right.
Well.
Good. Alright.
Wow.
Ready? Show. Let's roll.